In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create private name servers in GoDaddy. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that contains the domain you want to work with, because private name servers must be created from the domain settings for that specific domain. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm you're on the main account page so it's easier to navigate. Next, click on your profile area. This is usually where you'll find your account-related options and shortcuts. From there, select My Products. This section gives you access to all the domains and services connected to your GoDaddy account. If you have multiple products, just focus on the domain you want to configure for private name servers. After that, click DNS for the domain you want to manage. This will open the DNS management area, where GoDaddy keeps the records and settings related to your domain. If you see another DNS option or button within the domain management page, click DNS again to make sure you're in the correct section for advanced settings. Once you're in the DNS area, look for the Name Servers section. This is where your domain's name server settings are controlled. Click on Name Servers, and then choose the option to change name servers. This step is important because you're moving away from the default setup and telling GoDaddy that you want to use your own custom name servers instead. Now, select the option that says you want to use your own name servers. This is the setting used for private or custom name servers. After choosing that option, click Save. At this point, GoDaddy will give you the area where you can enter your name server names. Carefully type in the private name server names you want to use. Make sure they're entered exactly as intended, since even a small typo can cause DNS issues later. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before continuing, especially if you're setting up more than one name server. Once everything is entered correctly, click Save again to apply the changes. After saving, keep in mind that DNS-related updates may not happen instantly. In some cases, it can take a little time for the new private name servers to become fully active. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of creating private name servers in GoDaddy. If you follow each part carefully and review your entries before saving, the setup should be smooth and straightforward.